Good morning, everybody. Here again with your three things I'm watching for today's session, Thursday, February the 27th. Starting out, tariff talk, and I'm not going to really elaborate on this too much, but I mean, this is an underlying factor, and this is something we're going to have to deal with for some time, the tariff talk, because President Trump uses tariffs as negotiating tactics in his trade deals. So we're going to hear more and more about them. But here's the thing: next week, the tariffs against Canada and Mexico are expected to go into place. Yesterday, in the press conference at President Trump's cabinet meeting, said that the tariffs wouldn't be going into effect until April. So a little bit of confusion in the market, looking for some clarification, really looking for some clarification on the tariffs altogether. Now, the market has been shrugging off this tariff talk because it's been just talk, but we're starting to see more pressure on the market where traders are starting to get a little bit tired of it and starting to pull out some of their investments. So, something we'll have to look at there. Number two thing we're looking at today, export sales expected to come out a little bit softer numbers forecast. Corn expected to come in around 1 million metric tons. Soybeans about 500,000 metric tons, and wheat a little bit less than that. Corn, if we fall below the 1 million metric ton mark, might be a little bit negative. Now we have had some flash sales on corn and soybeans. Also, more of the daily sales picked up on corn. South Korea buying some feed corn, so we are starting to see sales. We're just not seeing the big flash numbers come through. But trade looking to see a good corn number. Expect to see some pressure in the market coming pretty soon, though. South American harvest picking up speed. Soybeans coming out of Brazil. Corn starting to trickle out of Argentina. So to see some export sales pressure over the next month to 6, maybe 8 weeks would not be that surprising at all. The big one today, the Ag Outlet Forum starts in Washington, D.C. Bottom line, trade looking at corn, more corn acres, fewer soybeans, about the same on wheat. Corn looking for USDA looking for corn carryout to build, soybeans to hold exactly steady from this year, and wheat bump it up about 50 million bushels. Remember, all this data is it's basically tech driven. And that's probably not the correct word, but it's all off indicators, economic indicators, price indicators, really nothing from a farm survey. So take that with a grain of salt. And for the record, the USDA has overestimated total U.S. acreage in 7 of the last 7 years. So there again, it's going to be news. We'll probably trade it for a few minutes, and that'll be it for today. Those are the three things I'm watching today.